5-day challenge. And today I have Delilah Hope, and she wanted to participate today outside. Today is very windy, but it's a nice day out today, and she is wearing a little pink and white dress, and she has her little piglet, and she has little pink bows in her hair, and she just picked this beautiful purple flower, and she has pink little shoes. So she's enjoying her day, and then she has her little piglet, and she has her little pink bracelet, and yeah, she's just taking a little rest here on the rocks and enjoying this day, which is very breezy, as you can see. You can hear my wind chimes. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a great Wednesday, and thank you for everyone that has participated so far. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And yeah, and you guys, all the new and old subscribers, thank you so much, and welcome to my new ones too. And if you want to join, it's a 5-day challenge, and it doesn't matter when you do it. Just have fun, and anything nature related, and if you can't go, like I said, if you can't go outside, just do like a background of nature, or you know, anything. It's fine. You don't even have to use a doll. If you want to use a plushie outside, that's great too. Just have fun with it. Okay guys, I'll let you go now because I'm just rambling on. And yeah, I'm having fun so far. It's really nice to just go out in nature and just enjoy it. So we will see you guys in the next video. Please give us a like, a comment, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next one.